We're going to do a weave off to the left, starting with our right crossing over left. So it's a cross side behind point, and then a cross side behind triple back. Cross quarter triple back.
There you go.
Yeah. So anyway, we're doing that weave with a point, cross quarter triple back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back rock triple
A half.
half. Back rock triple a half. Okay, so let's see. We ended that last 8 with a triple back left, back rock right, triple turn, back rock triple turn. With counts, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So from the top, weights on our left, we're going to start with that weave with the point. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross side behind point, cross quarter, triple back, back rock, triple turn, back rock, triple turn. Okay, so again, weights on our left, we're going to do that weave with a point. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross side behind point, cross turn, triple back, back rock, triple turn a half, back rock, triple turn a half. Okay, now we're going to do a series of little back touches. Go back touch, and then that's, I don't know, how do you describe it?
So the third 8 is and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Triple
and
step,
8.
yeah.
There it is. So it's
And
back
1
touch,
and
back
2
touch,
and
back
3,
touch,
4.
forwards. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're right. That is the weirdest part of the whole dance. Yep.
And it's and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again, weight was on the left and we're going backwards. It's and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
I think that looked good. You can add that on from the top.
Okay, from the top, starting with that weave point. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross side behind point, cross turn, triple back, back rock, triple turn a half, back rock, triple turn a half, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, triple forward, 7 and 8. Now we're going to rock forward and triple turn a half, and triple turn a half, and sailor turn.
Sailor step. It says 1/8, but you want to keep facing this wall and not over rotate.
Yeah, so I'm just turning off sort of to the angle so that I know I'm going to
Prepare for your weave.
I'm preparing the weave, that's
Yeah.
all.
But be careful of people who over rotate on the floor.
Yes, it gets very confusing. So they go, sailor this, and you're like, where are we going? No, we need, anyway, that way.
So that fourth 8.
So the fourth 8, let's see which way. I was over here.
Yep.
And I rocked. I did a left forward rock. Weights on our right. We rock. Left forward rock. Triple turn.
Yep.
Triple turn. Sailor step.
Yeah. Can you do it with your back to the camera?
I can. So that was a weights on right. And we rock forward left to recover. Triple turn a half. Triple turn a half, sailor step, and now I'm ready to cross side behind point.
Just one more time with counts, and then we'll run through the whole thing.
Okay. Weights on our right. We're doing that left rock forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8.
Beautiful.
Okay, let's try to put it all together from the top. Starting with a weight on our left. we're doing that weave point. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, side, behind, point. Cross, turn, triple, back, back, rock. Triple turn, back, rock. Triple turn. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Walk, walk. Triple turn, rock forward. Triple a half. Triple a half. Sailor turn. Cross, side, behind, point. Cross, back. Triple, back, back, rock. Triple half. Rock, triple half, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, walk, walk, triple forward, rock forward, triple a half, sailor step, and then off we go again. So weights on our left, we're gonna do that cross, side, behind, point, cross, turn, triple, back, back, rock, triple a half, triple half, back, rock, triple half, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, triple forward, rock forward, triple a half, sailor step, cross, side, behind, point, cross, back, triple, back, back, rock, triple a half, back, rock, triple a half, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, triple forward, forward rock, triple a half, sailor step, cross, side, behind, point, off we go. There is a tag, it is just 2 counts, it's just a right, left walk, you add them. Wall 8 after 22 counts, because you're going to remember that. But it's conveniently when we're walking forward. So right after we've done the and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, we walk forward, right, left. And in that wall 8, we just go right, left again. And then restart with a weave.
Yep, very easy.
So it's an easy restart, and I don't know that I get it every time, but there's usually enough people on the floor doing that it's not a big deal. So you can sort of get there and you'll be fine.
Ready for music?
Well, don't ask me. Are we ready for music?
Peoples, you ready for music?